So time to explain the elements, every elements, what is the meaning in our life, in our leadership, and our motivation in gratitude. So let's start. First, we have an elements of stone. This is the stone. We have a different types of shape. As you can see, different colors, different shape, and this one as well. Sometimes, if you find a gratitude when I walk around to the nature or anywhere I go for walk, if I find a good shape of stone and my thinking, what can I do for this stone? Sometimes I put in the pot, put a colors, then put a pot. That's a creative idea that I can share with you. This one is a good shape. If you put colors or something that remind you, that is your gratitude, where did you get this stone? So that's a creative idea that I can share you. Now, we have another shape. This is from the mountain. This stone is cut. I find this stone when I walk around from the road. So it's a colorful white, different color and different shape. I have a white stone. I have a small as well. And there's a stone of like a dirt. Is not strong. And today we're gonna discuss regarding with these elements. There is a strong stone. There is a stone that is like a soil only. So I don't know what's the call that one because I'm not good with the with the nature of soil. So I just wanna share only to you how's the connection of the stone elements in my motivation in gratitude. The motivation in gratitude stone, meaning if you have a stone to your life, you have a strong foundation. But if you have a stone in your life from the young age, maybe from your uh, inheritance, from your genes, from what the genes is like, your parents is talented or rich, or you grow up on the environment that there is a strong foundation. So you have a stone already to your personality, to yourself, your skills, your talent. Some of that you get a stone because of the surrounding in the nature. The same with the stone that I pick. I have picked some from the river. This is the river stone. I pick stone from the sea. This is the stone from the sea. It's a different shape. With the motivation and gratitude to our life, connecting with the elements that I share with you, these elements is you have a strong foundation. If you have a strong, if you have a stone to yourself, so shape that you have, it depends on the environment that you grow. It depends on your genes or inheritance, how big your stone to yourself or to your experience. So as you can see, when you throw the stone is very strong. Mean to say, when you throw, anywhere you throw, you are not weak. You are a strong person. And also, if you have a strong foundation of your leadership, you are not sensitive. If you have a good shape of your stone to your leadership. You have a right training and a foundation that is shaped with that expertise. That's why you have a shape, you have a perfect shape. But if you have a stone like this, it's not perfect, but you know, it's very unique. Mean to say, the stone as a leader is very different to the business that you are handling. Because if you have a different shape, mean to say you have a lot of experience before you shape. Or you need more skilled in additional experience, or you are expert already because you build your skill, you mold your personality with the shape of, you know, the wave. With this type of stone is from the wave. What is the wave in our life? The wave, it represent with your journey as a leader, as a business minded person, or as a member of the team. So with this shape is the wave is the one to shape with this stone. If you have a shape like this, you are very unique, that no one can shape like this. It's up your journey of experience or skills. So that's the meaning of the elements of motivation and gratitude with these elements. So people, they doesn't know how unique you are, how unique as a leader, how unique as a member, how unique your skills, that behind your back, you doesn't know that you have a creative idea. That's the dream that you doesn't know that it's alive. But because sometimes we are connected to other people, environment, nature, we discover that your shape is very important. In this motivation of leadership, business, as a person, as a member, the uniqueness of this stone and this stone and this stone, as you can see, different shape, is a different expertise in our life and our education or skills. So that's why we have this one is really uh, good shape, and even the color is perfect, even the, you know, the shape is really good. But every one of us have a unique skills. Even you did not finish your study, you have a unique skills, because most of the stone that you have, you think to yourself, I did not finish my study, but you have a good shape of stone, you have a strong foundation because of your environment, because of your genes or your parents. This stone is from the, you never know where came from this stone, from the ocean, from the mountain, because it's a different color and it's very strong. So the connection of the stone of my elements to our life, to my motivation that I share with you, I hope you find helpful to understand the motivation and gratitude that I share with you inside in the jar. Now, I mix it in this tray to explain all the elements that I have, the sand. But I explained today the stone. My next video, I explain to you the other elements inside in this bowl. Today's, if you have a unique shape of the stone to yourself, nothing is impossible. That this shape is, you are very unique. That you did not discover to yourself, that people is looking for this type of shape. Yeah, it's not beautiful, it's not good looking, but as you can see, you have a unique skills, you have a unique shape that it's fit to the shape that they are looking for. That's I talking about the skills that you doesn't know that you have, and the skills that the motivation that you are maybe in the situation of hard time. In this shape is the sign of hard time. You know the wave? When the wave comes, the shape of the stone, it gives a beautiful shape. So this is the motivation and gratitude in our life, in our leadership. So if you are a leader, you are the wave that you mold to the person that you are mentoring. So the shape of this stone, it gives you a high impact to change life, to change, if you are a mentor, you change life, you change the shape to become strong, to become, you know, when the waves is, every time the waves, how many times that the waves is shaping this stone, it takes years, it take, maybe when you're studying, that's the shape, that's why you are very unique. So in the hard time, in this shape, it's really very powerful, that your shape is, you have a strong foundation. Even the shape is like, as you can see, it's like this shape of the stone. If you put in the road and the car is putting this like is flat, but still there's a shape and is strong. So this is the connection of motivation and gratitude of this stone. I hope you find helpful, that you understand what you have a strong foundation to yourself, a strong foundation to your leader or a leadership or in your business. Shaping the stone in our life is very important. I found my stone to myself when I was a new leader, when I was a member, when I was doing my training in coaching. Yeah, it's a bit hard when the wave is coming in the right time or in the early time. Same, if it's not in the right time, so this is what happened. It's not a good shape, but it helps in the future. That leadership, that person is, there is a strong foundation, and they remind you at the end of her experience or skills, they will understand how your shape that gives a, what's that, a history to your leadership. That's why mentors are lifting others. If you lifting others and you shaping others as well, it's really hard to shape. It's like the carpenters. The carpenters shaping, before you see the result, the hard work is really there. So as a leader is very hard work for that person to shape, to see the beautiful shape. What's a beautiful shape that we expected? We never know. That's why when you try, we never know when you start what is in the end. The ending is always exciting because we never expected what's the result. We never know what's at the end, and you will surprise if you did well, you have a good result. Same with this stone. So that's the meaning of stone. If you have a good idea or good explanation with this motivation and gratitude, comments, right? Make a video and share with this information regarding with the motivation and gratitude. And I'm happy that you can share your experience as well, your idea regarding with the motivation and gratitude in this type of elements that I share with you. So my next video, I will explain the sun. So today is a weekend. Find your stone to your life. What colors of stone that you have? What leadership of shaping to your members or to your business? I talking about the goal. Because if you have a goal, you shaping what you expected. You shaping what shape that you share. That's the goal. And my motivation and gratitude to small business idea, always remember that you can rest but never quit. Rest if you are tired, rest if you are stressed. But quitting is not the answer. Because as a leader and a mentor, advisor, consultant, is shaping our life and our business and motivation to ourselves is kind of hard work, teamwork, collaboration. Talking about teamwork and collaboration is like this stone. In a leadership, in a business, and anywhere that we can connect to other business as well. And the training, motivation, how is strong? How is strong your leadership? How is strong your skill to learn, to know, to discover? That's the question that I leave to you, and I hope today video is you will find a great explanation, or I find some great explanation from you or idea regarding with this stone. I believe that if you are positive, anywhere you go, whatever situation in your life, in our life, we can survive. And one motivation that I can share with you before I end my video, I just want to share with you that if you're experiencing a hard time, say thank you. Why? Hard time is like a stone that you are shaping what you expected to our life, to your business, to the happiness, to the rest. What is the rest color? Red. If you are scared with the rest or happiness or whatever, that's shaping in our life, in the motivation and gratitude, Write a comments below if you have a question or you are one of these. Or you are a type of stone that is very soft. You are a stone. You have a stone in your life. You have a stone to your leadership. You have a stone to your business. But it's soft. If you wanna connect with us in my team and with me, just write a comments below. And yeah, having a stone that is soft is not bad. But you need to find your strength. You need to find how strong your stone to your leadership, to our life. That's why it's a lot of connection or motivation regarding with the meaning of stone. That's my idea only that I can share with you in the motivation of gratitude. Thank you for listening to me today, and I hope everyone is happy, happy only. That's a gratitude that anywhere you go, bring it that in your pocket, smile and happy. And I'm sure the result is happy. Especially in the business. Especially if you are in the business, mentoring. And also avoid the what? Your smile is give energy to the world. So share it. Even in the posting in the social media, give your smile. That's why I always remind your smile is giving energy to the world. Why? If someone's lonely, if you give a great smile, what happens? They respond with a smile. If someone is upset and you smile, it gives you a gratitude. Bring back the happiness and the motivation in gratitude is you. The answer is you. Thank you for listening today and happy Sunday. Bye!